Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Dometic ProSafe MD283 hotel safe and you need to replace or change the batteries in it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons really. One is you should do this every year no matter what, just to make sure you're always having fresh batteries. And the second reason is when the batteries do get low, the screen will actually display a BAT low. BAT-LO symbol, at which point you want to change the batteries. Now you need 4 AA batteries. If you don't have those, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them for a good price. But anyways, all we need to do is open the safe, and on the door, on the inside of the door, if we go over to the left, there's this cover here. And on the left of the cover, there's a screw that you need to unscrew to release this cover. Once you release this cover, you'll see that there's a little battery compartment here. You can just pull the batteries out of there, and the 4 batteries out of there, and then put the 4 new batteries in, making sure that we respect the plus up on the right, minus up, the way it's indicated on there. Just make sure you're following those, and then we can put our cover back on, put the screw back on, and our batteries have been changed. So I hope this helped. If it did, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.